One.
1, 2, 3.
All right, today we have another beautiful model with a gorgeous long hair, but unfortunately there is no movement. It's just very simple from roots to the ends, very long, and there is no movement, there is no texturizing. So I'm going to create a beautiful step layer for her, and after that it's going to be a huge difference. Stay tuned with a beautiful step layer. Merci, Jeff Reiisi. Bora wedding.
Okay.
This is our beautiful model. We did a nice long step layer, and as you could see, now you can see her beautiful face, and it's go with her face framing. So this is it when I'm talking about when somebody has a very, very thick hair. So you have to decide that the number one, if they have the face framing, what about the head shape, and then you decide what kind of haircut you want to do. So this is a long step layer. Stay tuned with the latest haircut with Jeff Reiisi. Thank you.